Are you looking for the top portable air conditioner? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 best insignia portable air conditioner on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video. Number 1. Frigidaire Cool Connect Smart Portable Air Conditioner. We spoke to home cooling experts about the best smart air conditioning units. The kind you can control remotely so your apartment is already cool when you get home. One recommended this portable version, a sleek Frigidaire model with over 12,000 BTUs, which will cool about a 450 square foot space. You can control it with an app or even with your voice, using Google Assistant. This would be great for someone with an irregular window size that a window unit won't fit into. Eugene Fix, president of Fix Consultants, which integrates smart products into clients' homes, told us. Portable ACs still need to be nearby a window, however, to exhaust heat. But Fix says that with this model, the flex tube connection, or hose, will fit into any window that opens. This portable air conditioner is currently only available in 10,000 BTUs from a third-party seller on Amazon with less than a 97% approval rating. But Frigidaire's square-shaped Cool Connect 13,000 BTU portable air conditioner is available from $550 at various local retailers in-store and online, including AJ Madison and Home Depot. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Packed 08WT Portable Air Conditioner, 8,000 BTU. More than 22,000 Amazon reviewers give this portable AC 5 stars. And many say that the 8,000 BTUs are great for cooling one room. We have around 800 square feet, with an open concept kitchen and dining space, which is where we put the unit, one reviewer, living in an apartment in Manhattan, says. It cooled off our place in less than 15 minutes. Another who says this unit is working marvelously well, says. I sit about 12 feet away from it and feel the chill with a setting of 76, in their 300 square foot space. Many also describe the setup as easy and about 10% say that the unit is pretty quiet. I found it to be no louder than any other central AC unit or floor fan. In fact, it's more background noise than anything. One user says, while another notes that it's about as quiet as a box fan on high. It's pretty straightforward, but it does have a remote that reviewers love and a timer, which one user says is great because it comes on before I get home and shuts itself off after I go to work. Number 3. SereneLife, Slacked 128. For this 2021 update, we tested the 12,000 BTU SereneLife Slacked 128 and were impressed by how quickly it cooled down our 250 square foot office on a 96 degrees Fahrenheit summer day. This unit also has a built-in humidifier and 7,000 BTU heating power. It's relatively slim and lightweight for its BTU class and can easily be rolled from room to room. Remember, though, that wherever you place the SereneLife, it needs to be close to a window for the venting hose. This model comes with an easy-install window kit that works best with windows that open/close up and down. Our test site had windows that open left to right, and the window kit was tricky to install. Once plugged in, the SereneLife automatically shows the current temperature of the room, a nice feature that's not usually built in. Its cooling mode is set as the default when you power up. Desired temperature, speed, and duration can be programmed manually or with the excellent remote that can be controlled from the far end of the room. We tested the strength of cooling power from 8 feet away, and though it was not as forceful as when we stood 3 feet away, it was still a pleasant, cool breeze. Another feature we liked is the unit's swing mode, which, when activated, shifts the vents up and down automatically, allowing for more coverage of the airflow. Unless you're sweltering, you wouldn't want to sit too close to the air conditioner. We had set the air conditioner's temperature to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and the breeze registered at 3 feet away as a very chilly 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So the SereneLife is ideal for a bedroom where you would place it in a corner, and not in front of the bed, to cool the entire room. If you're wondering about how loud the SereneLife is, even when the compressor kicked in, it registered at 68 decibels, which is normal for an air conditioner. But most of the time, it hovered between 62 and 65 decibels and shouldn't disturb your sleep. Number 4. 14,000 BTU. If you're looking for a big portable air conditioner that doesn't need to move or sit in your bedroom, the Whynter ARC14SH may be a better choice. Especially if your climate skews on the much hotter side. A dual-hose design like the ARC122 Elite already has a leg up on our single-hose picks in terms of system design. But the biggest member of Whynter's team also has a compressor and coil system that can soak up more heat. The DOE still downrates capacity to 8,500 BTUs in average real-world conditions. But as outside temperatures increase, the difference between this and a single-hose unit will be more and more noticeable. One unique feature this particular Whynter model has is a heat pump heating mode that works fairly well above 45 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature of the Whynter may be a good fit for your home or office. That said, the options in our space heater review will still work if you ever need to deal with freezing temperatures. We liked the versatility and power of the Whynter when we tested it in our older office building. The open floor plan gets both too hot and too cold depending on the season, so the versatility came in handy. But it's so loud we very nearly had to draw straws to decide who would sit next to it. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BTU. If you need a quick solution for cooling down a bedroom or office, you can't install a window unit. And you can't afford the full price of the top picks in this review. A small 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner like the BLACK+DECKER, Pack 08WT for around $300 can still help you stay cool. Let's not mince words here, an 8,000 BTU single-hose portable will only cool a very small room. And it will start to heat up that small room just as quickly when outdoor temperatures climb into triple digits. If your outdoor air isn't hotter than 95 degrees Fahrenheit, you may not mind the slow warming of the rest of your house while you sit in the dry, cool airstream coming off the evaporator coil. Still, many people dealing with those conditions will do just as well with a tower fan. Compared to other budget-priced portable air conditioners, the BLACK+DECKER is surprisingly quiet. With only a 1 dB spike in noise when the compressor kicks on or off. It's about the same level of noise as our two top-ranked 12,000 BTU picks, though those models move more air and soak up far more heat. The 8,000 BTU BLACK+DECKER is, as expected, smaller than a 12,000 BTU design. But it's still heavy and awkward to move. Calling any air conditioner portable is a stretch, but this is on the lighter end of what's available. There's a cable spool in the back for keeping things neater in storage. But finding a place to keep the hose and bracket is still the biggest inconvenience. There's no storage compartment for the remote either.